Imagine waking up every morning knowing you have the freedom to work from home on your own terms and be able to make enough money not to just survive, but to thrive.
Amazing idea, and who doesn't want it? This video is for those who either has a job or an existing business and you're looking for a side hustle or a side business.
What if I told you that there's a business model that hundreds of other people have used to achieve exactly that? And it's the same business model that I use to generate a daily income online without needing any prior experience and without even having to work 8 hours a day.
I have already AI analyzed the video, and in 20 words, it is providing an AI-powered missed call automation solution to small businesses generating recurring monthly income by offering affordable, scalable services. And it has a 4-step process called AIMS. For this, we are going to use a software called High Level or Go High Level. We pay $2,900 for access to this platform and run our business on it. But interesting, our students in our program who are also earning good money in high-ticket affiliate commissions are getting a free account without spending $2,900 as a part of our program. Step number A, access potential clients via Google search. But I'm going to use a feature in this platform. It's called prospecting. I will click this add a prospect and search for, let's say, plumbers, and I will search Abu Dhabi. More information about these businesses are populating on the right-hand side, whether they have verified Google profile, whether they're using WordPress, and what could be the conversion rate if we reach out to them. And it seems moderate. This one is 39%, this one 58%. And if we just click on this right arrow, we get all the information: business name, phone number, address, and website. And if we think it's a potential prospect, we will click Save Prospect. And the system is generating a report for this prospect. We'll come back later when the report is generated fully. In the meantime, we're
going to set this business owner up with a simple service I like to call auto missed call text back. It takes about 2 minutes to set up. It doesn't matter what industry or what this business does. This is going to be extremely valuable, especially if the average business owner misses 62% of these calls.
So I hope you understand what it is about. Business owners want to receive calls from their customers or potential customers. But when you find a business contact, you call them up and they don't pick up the call. It means they are missing calls from customers. That's potential business loss. And according to this video, 62% business owners miss calls. I just Googled, and according to this article, on average, businesses across all industries miss around 40% of their customers' calls. Can we say they lose 40% revenue, or at least potential revenue? That's huge. It's because they don't have enough resources to pick up those calls or reach out to the people who called them later. So what
happens now if I call this expert services right here and they don't pick up the phone? What happens is this business will automatically be able to send a text out to me, the person needing help with plumbing, and it'll say, hey, so sorry I missed your call. How can I help you?
That's the type of service we want to install for these businesses. Okay, in the meantime, our platform generated report, a detailed report for the business we investigated. They already have a lot of things, and they even don't have a lot of things. For example, business details is 65%, techno stack is 0%, listing only 4%, website performance great, SEO analysis great. What they don't have are two things. Number one, they don't have a chat widget on their website. And number two, yes, the business number is text enabled, which is awesome, but they do not have a missed call text back service. So it looks like a potential client.
So I hope you can see how valuable this is to any small local business owner. And if you're wondering, well, when they text back and say, hey, I need help with my leaky toilet, do you respond to that as the agency, or does the business owner respond to that? And if they don't respond to it because they don't have time, how do we do that? Guys, I'm going to show you how to do that in about 2 minutes, all leveraging AI, where you can completely remove yourself as well as a small business owner.
For this, you need an agency account of Go High Level. If you don't have an account, you can start a 30-day trial for free. Link is in the description, go get it. Then create an account for your client or potential client. Go to the settings, then click business profile. And at the bottom of the page, you will be here click Enable Missed Call Text Back, and you can set up what kind of text you want to send. You can set a phone number and send a test whether it's working or not. Then you go to Conversation AI. The Conversation AI works when you send an SMS back to them saying, hey, sorry we missed your call. You can have a chat with us using this link. And for AI-based conversation, you can click here and set up Instagram, Facebook, SMS, chat widget, or live chat. Then you click Bot Trial to try it yourself and to train your bot on how to answer the questions of your potential visitors. Click Bot Training. Now here is something interesting. In order to train your bot, you can use your website. Just put the link of your website, the system will automatically get data. And based on that, the bot will chat with the visitors.
Click on their website just to show you this example. And then we just grab their URL, copy that, come over here, and this exact URL, we're just gonna paste that and click on Get Data.
Now look at this, what happens.
Now what it's doing is fetching the pages, and it's going to train the bot by scanning everything on this website. It's gonna scan the entire website, train the bot on all this data. You can see now it says uploaded links. It's got the information that now we can come over here to this bot trial and test it out, ask it any question we want, and it's able to pull all the information from the website in just a matter of seconds.
And it's complete autopilot. You do not have to do it manually. However, from my personal experience, don't rely 100% on AI. Test the bot. And that's exactly this guy is doing.
And then typically, most small business owners, they only get the same 5 to 6 questions asked over and over and over again. So what we can also do is we can over here, we can add a frequently asked questions section. So like, what services do you
got the point.
Train this bot, and then as we come over here to this trial, we can say, what services do you offer? And then see what it says. So it looks like it's pulling this information from the actual website because I just put toilet. It says we offer water fixture installations, sink and bathtub installations, water heater repairs, and main water fire repairs in Utah. Anything specific you need help with, right? And then if you like the answer, you say thumbs up, or if you don't like the answer, you say thumbs down, and you rewrite, say, this is how you should have responded.
That's important. So if you don't like a response, you can train the bot on how to respond correctly. Now in step number 2, you're going to introduce missed call opportunities to the business owners. Now there is a problem, and I'm going to share the problem later, but before that, how do you measure the missed call opportunity? Now in this video, he showed a website. You can find this kind of websites by just Googling missed call ROI calculator and find any of the websites. But unfortunately, these ROIs will be calculated based on how much they charge for their services. So it may not match your desired results. The point of this type of calculators is to show your potential client how much they are missing out by not having a missed call text back service installed in their system. So you basically have to create your own calculator. How do you do that? I have created my own on top of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a service called Custom GPTs. Click on this Explore GPTs button. You will be taken here. Click this Create button on top right corner. You will be right here. Now give it a name, give it a description, and copy and paste this text in the instructions. Take a screenshot. Once you are done, write calculate in conversation starters. Then click update. Once you're done, your calculator is ready. Now let's go to my missed call ROI calculator and show you how it works. Click calculate, and ChatGPT will ask you questions. What's your average client value? You should ask this question to the potential client business owner. Let's say their average client value is $100. Hit enter. The number of missed calls per month. If it's 7 calls per day, that will be 210 missed calls per month. Hit enter. What's your average close rate? Let's say 15%. How much do you pay for missed call text back service? That will be how you charge for your service. So let's say you charge $197 per month. Hit enter, and now ChatGPT will show you the calculation. It looks like they would have earned $3,150 if they could close those missed customers, but with your missed call text back service, they could potentially recover some or all of them, minus your service cost. It's $2,953 your profit. If you can show this calculation to anyone, literally any business owner will say yes, at least to try for a couple of months for sure. I told you there was a problem in the system. If a business owner is already missing calls, do you think you can reach out to them by calling them? I don't think so. So basically, to get these clients, you have to call them, SMS them, go and visit them physically. So it's basically a full-time business. Yes, it's worth it. It's recurring revenue and pretty much passive income. But in terms of service, yes, it is passive in terms of service, but it is absolutely not passive in terms of marketing your service. So my highest recommendation for those who already have business and you just want a side hustle or a side business, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, you just want some side income, then start with something that doesn't need a lot of time from your side. And that also does not need a lot of technical work. Plus, to afford Go High Level, you need to pay $297 per month for an agency account. That's why I recommend something like our program, which is 99% done for you. And this is why our beginner students are getting good results. And if you think it might be interesting, check the link in the description and watch the free training. There is a brand new training and you will love it. You will learn fully and completely about our business model and how we help beginners, just like these guys. And at the end, you'll be able to take an educated decision whether high-ticket affiliate marketing is for you or not. Sounds fair? Go watch the free training. And yes, if you want to learn more about how to make money online or how to get free traffic, watch these two videos and watch these two videos. And we'll see you on the next one.